Okay, and we're going to start on the pelvis. So we'll start off with dividing it into the main three sections, which are the ilium, the ischium, and the pubis. Okay, and then we'll move to the socket area, so the acetabulum.
For articulation with the femur.
Yep, and you can't really see very well, but there's an acetabulum fossa, which is an indentation in the middle of that, and then there's the acetabular notch, which is just there. There's also the lunate surface, which is the moon sort of drawing. You can see drawn on in black ink. And then there's obturator foramens moving slightly out there. Yeah, so that's hole there. And then we're moving on to the iliac crest, which is the very top of the hip there. The anterior superior iliac spine, which is this point here, which you can palpate. It's used for finding how level your hips are. And it's also the joining point of the sartorius. I should have also mentioned, on the iliac crest, that is the joining point for tensor fascia latae as well. Then we've got the anterior inferior iliac spine, which is this point there. The posterior superior iliac spine, which is there. The posterior inferior iliac spine. And then we're moving on to the gluteal lines. So you have the inferior one here, which you can see is a lot lower than the other. There is then the anterior gluteal line there. And then there's the posterior gluteal line there. Okay, and then we're going to move to the greater sciatic notch, which is this indentation there, and then the lesser sciatic notch. And in between those, you can see is the ischial spine. That points there. And there's the ischial tuberosity, which is this projection there. The superior inferior ramus. So this is the superior section just here, and this is the inferior section there. Sorry, taking over your job. And then there's the pubic symphysis, which if you turn that around for there, that is the pubic symphysis there. Okay. So just so you can see. Okay.